Put them in there.
Trying to get myself a little wet. Didn't know ducks did that. I thought they just waited and ate food underwater. Ducks are just so cute. I guess they think I'm mama.
No, they're going to bond with each other. And that's what we want. If they bond with each other, they'll stay together. And release them.
Well, they're going to be in pairs, so at least there'll be two groups.
Yeah. Okay, looking for some food here. Put it on your hand. Feed them out of your hand. No, let me sprinkle it on your hand, and then you can get it mushy.
Just put it in the water.
Just put it just barely in the water.
Ow!
Let them come get the mush.
Come on, get the mush. Get the mush.
Keep it up out of the water. Let's move it. So it doesn't float away.